요리하고 가지면
How often do you have a bowel movement? Do you have it every day in the morning? Or 2-3 times in a week? The number of bowel movement of healthy people is about 1 to 2 times a day. The number varies depending on individually, and it's about 3 times a day to 3 times a week is normal range. However, if you don't have a bowel movement for a few days to a week, you might think that it's just constipation. Is anyone thinking that thoughtlessly? It is said that constipation lists all kinds of disease, such as colorectal cancer, intestinal obstruction, intestinal adhesion, inflammatory bowel disease. What is your fast constipation relief tips and home remedies? Fiber-rich smoothies? Regular physical activities? Or aren't you a fan of laxative? So in today's video, I'm sharing how I deal with the constipation in my daily life. It also can be expected effects such as diet, anti-aging, and health maintenance. In my channel, I'm introducing gourmet spot in Japan, travel tips, and must-buy items for souvenir. Please follow my channel for more videos. The history of rice in Japan is said to have begun rice cultivation about 3,000 years ago. It has spread through the country because of the Japan's warm climate and rich in water. Eating brown rice every morning is my home remedy for constipation keeping more than 10 years. Many of you might be disappointed by the answer, but wait, I'd like to share more detailed information about the rice. Restaurants, quick diners, and convenience stores onigiri are used white rice because the taste really goes well with salty side dishes. But eating over a portion of white rice will consume a lot of carbohydrates, which will easily raise your blood sugar level rapidly. That will make you gain weight eventually. Alternatively, I highly recommend you to eat brown rice, which has been my staple food for many years. In the first place, brown rice refers to the shell removed from the rice fruit, which has a round layer and germ left as it is. On the other hand, white rice is removed from husks, round layers, and germs by polishing. So, are there any differences? Yes, in terms of nutritional value, brown rice is definitely way better than white rice. There are 4 nutritional benefits when you intake brown rice instead of white rice. First, the calories don't change that much, but it's effective for dieting because it has less carbohydrates than white rice. Second, brown rice contains about 6 times more dietary fiber than white rice, which relieves constipation. As a result, it improves the intestinal environment to reduce fat absorption. Third, brown rice is rich in minerals. Magnesium is about 4.8 times higher than white rice. Lastly, it also contains vitamin B1 is 5.1 times higher, which promotes metabolism and makes the body less tired. From now on, I'm showing you which kind of brown rice you should buy and how I cook the rice. I highly recommend you to buy rice at Akomeya Rice Specialty Shop in Kagurazaka. Choose organically grown brown rice which is not used pesticides. The pesticides are easy to accumulate in grains and germs and they are not removed by washing with water. Recommended brand names to choose are Koshihikari, Milky Queen, and Hitomebore, which have strong tenacity. More than 10 years ago, I happened to know fermented germinated brown rice. Since then, I've been eating it as my staple food that changed less constipation. Fermented germinated brown rice is cooked by pressure in a rice cooker for 3 to 4 days and leave it to be fermented and aged. Adding red bean is to increase taste and nutritional value and to promote ripening. Plus, as a substance, melalonium helps aging without spoiling. I usually cook for 4 cups of brown rice, 5 to 6 tablespoons of red beans, and 2 pinches of salt. I was supposed to mix with a whisk well to make small scratches on the surface of the rice. But I couldn't find it today, so just use a spoon. Put the rice and the water to a certain amount. The rice cooker is specialized in fermented rice, which can be germinated, cooking, heat preservation, and fermentation. You can buy at an electronic store in Japan. It costs around $400. It can be choose the sprouting hours. Usually choose 4 hours in summer, 6 hours in winter. After 6 hours, it starts cooking automatically and is about to be done. It's now releasing the pressure. Thank you for cooking a rice for me. Then break up the rice well. The brown rice is often said that it's not so tasty or too hard to eat. However, the fermented rice is sweet and plump and chewy. Mix it up for 3 consecutive days and ready to eat. After 3 days of the fermented brown rice is rich in GABA, which has an expected effect on lowering blood sugar level. This is my today's breakfast. Fermented rice, miso soup, grilled salmon, rice bran pickles, and seaweed. Now I'll take you to a fermented brown rice diner which pulled the trigger. It's located in Taido District near Kuramae Station. Yuwaeru is the one created fermented brown rice for the first time, and it's been popular among health-conscious people. Choose a rice with some dishes, with main dishes, or plus dessert. Allow vegetables and fish are used in soup and side dishes that make you healthy, just eating deliciously. You could choose a brown rice with red beans or black rice. I tried the original brown rice with red beans. Its original black sesame salt is made by coarsely ground black sesame seeds and formulated with natural salt from Izu Oshima. When I tried for the first time, I was hard to believe that it's brown rice. It's sweet and savory with chewy texture. It's so good. The menu changes every day depending on what kinds of fresh ingredients available at the market. Miso, salt koji, and soy sauce koji, which are also used for seasoning, are homemade by this store. Inside of the store, there is a sale corner that collects good things from all over Japan. I often buy the brown rice mochi and pre-packed curry with used domestic ingredients without chemical seasoning or colorings. Packed fermented brown rice is so convenient, especially if we are short on time or for quick breakfast. I like the ones with 15 kinds of grains. Also, they have black rice, red beans, and sticky barley. Be sure to open the package a bit before heating with microwave. You can heat it up with a microwave or boil for 15 minutes. The pre-packed curry is Yuwaeru's original ones, made for going well with the fermented brown rice. Since I started in the brown rice, I don't have a constipation that much, and if I don't eat the rice, it will be tend to happen. As I expect at the beginning, I also expect health, beauty, and diet effects. I hope that you will try the fermented brown rice while staying in Japan. By the way, the cafe is just next to Yuwaeru diner called Nui. Please try it, it offers a really good coffee. Did you enjoy watching today's video? Eat healthy food and enjoy your healthy life. Thank you for watching, bye for now.